Hey Rebels, welcome back to the channel, your home of No BS Trading. My name is Andrew, and I've been in crypto since the 2021 peak. I got my ass handed to me in the bear market, but I've been making a comeback ever since, sitting comfortably on about $250,000 profits right now amongst my various accounts. I'm here to tell you that you're being lied to. There's a lot of people out there that would like to tell you they know exactly what's coming and exactly where these markets are going. I'm here to tell you that's just not the case. So I have some help from some old traders here. We have Jesse Livermore says, the stock market is never obvious. It is designed to fool most of the people most of the time. I got another one here. The main purpose of the stock market is to make fools of as many men as possible. So, keeping that in mind, we're going to go through a piece of price action here and we're going to follow along and see how and which ways the market is going to fool us and how we can possibly react to the market, or what can we do knowing that the market is there trying to fool us. Okay, so we'll just dive right into this price action. This is a token called Hyperliquid. It's a decentralized exchange. I heard about it right around here, and the fundamentals are really strong. And so looking at this chart, you might be very tempted to get into the market. You might feel a little bit of FOMO and you want to dive into this. Maybe you've done a little research, says, okay, this is a great project. Recent price history is telling me this thing's going to go up and I'm really excited to get in. But unfortunately, the market takes a turn. So it fooled us right here thinking we were going higher. Our emotions told us that we were going higher. That was incorrect. And prices start to fall and then consolidate. So now maybe you're thinking, okay, well, I know this is a strong project and I still have conviction in it. And I noticed that we're kind of chopping sideways. Maybe this is a good time to DCA, dollar cost average, into a position. And unfortunately, price goes against you and breaks below this accumulation zone, or what you thought was an accumulation zone. So now at this point, your emotions are telling you that maybe this was really a bad idea. Maybe I was wrong here, and this project isn't so great. Regardless of the fundamentals, the price is showing me that this thing's just going to keep going down, and it does for a spell. It continues to go down, and now price is below the launch price. So it's right about here that you've basically lost all of your money and you think this is a terrible investment and I hate this, and you decide to sell right here, which is unfortunate because, again, the market fooled you. That was the most inopportune time to sell, and prices quickly reverse, even breaking the previous highs and continuing on to put in even higher prices. So basically, the market fooled us a few times here. In the beginning, we thought that this was a great project and we were going higher, and the market reversed. And here we said, oh, this is a terrible project, I'm getting out. And the market reversed again, basically confirming our original thesis that we were going to see higher prices. So this is just a really kind of a cherry picked piece of price action to just show you that the markets will fool us and at any given time, and it will cause us to make decisions that are not going to make us profitable, right? So if we would have bought here and sold here, that would have been the exact opposite of buying high or buying low and selling high. We would have bought high and sell low. And 95% of people are not profitable in any given market because of this. They say to buy low and sell high. That's actually very hard to do emotionally. So I'm not so sure that the market is what fools people. I think it's people's emotions that fool people. And what we can do is we can learn to read the markets in real time and learn to read the tape, because the market tells us at any given point whether it's strong or weak, whether it's breaking down or whether it's going higher. If it's trending up or it's trending down, the market tells us at any given time. So, the reason I'm making this video is just to caution you against trusting anyone on YouTube, because effectively, most people are there to farm attention. There's a lot of great influencers out there. Don't get me wrong. There's a lot of great YouTubers. There's a lot of wonderful content on the internet. But there's a lot of hype and there's a lot of shill. And, it doesn't really matter to them whether you make money in this market, because they have their channel and that's how they're making money. So you have to be very cautious on who you're listening to. It's very tempting to follow the people that are very convinced that prices are going higher. And if you buy now and sell at this exact date, then you're going to make your millions and you're going to be driving your Lambo, or your dreams will come true, or you're going to have life-changing money. I believe that it is 100% possible in this industry to generate life-changing money. I've done it myself. I have a life-changing sum of money as it stands right now from these markets, not because somebody else told me that was going to happen, but because I went in and I did the research myself, and I committed to learning how to read the markets in real time. So that's what I do on this channel. And I just wanted to showcase this to say, you're not alone. the markets fool most of the people most of the time, even the best of the best. I'm not claiming to be the best of the best. I've been around a while, learned a lot of hard lessons that I don't want anybody else to learn. That's why I started the channel. But yes, most people will not make money at this because of what I've just showcased. So I hope that was helpful. This was just a short and sweet one, just basically on market psychology and warning against, nobody knows what's happening on the right hand side of the chart. Nobody is going to be able to tell you when to get in and when to get out. But if you find the right people who have done the work themselves and been through the ringer themselves and had the losses themselves, then I think that's when you can have an edge in this market. So hopefully that's what I can bring to the table. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll catch you in the next one, guys. Take care.